Students, let us discuss about empirical formula and molecular formula. Let us discuss first of all what is meant by empirical formula. Actually, it used to represent the simplest whole number ratio of various atoms present in a compound. ओके किसी एक एलिमेंट में कितने एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं, सिंपलेस्ट होल नंबर रेशियो उनका जो देता है वो फॉर्मूला आपका एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला है. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला? देन इट गिव्स अस द एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ different types of atoms present in a formula. जैसे हम बात करते हैं ग्लूकोज की, क्या फॉर्मूला था? C6H12O6. ये मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है बिकॉज इससे सिर्फ ये पता चलता है कि उसमें 6 कार्बन, 12 हाइड्रोजन या 6 ऑक्सीजन, लेकिन ये एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं है. सो दिस इज योर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. लेकिन इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला वो आपको एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मूला देगा. अगर मैं ग्लूकोज को ही लिखती हूँ, उसको सही तरीके से लिखने का तरीका होता है तो ये मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला, ये इंपेरिकल फॉर्मूला. तो यही डिफरेंसेस हमें देखने हैं. Now we'll see how to calculate them. For this, certain methods are. empirical formula बड़ा लेंदी सा बट बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सम होता है. आप इसको कई स्टेप में 1 2 1 2 1 2 स्टेप में कर सकते हो as it is given in NCERT. I'll tell you here one tabular form where in short all the different process whatever these are involved here, the percentage, the atomic mass, then we have to find out the relative number of moles, simplest whole number ratio, then the exact number of atoms are calculated and their simplest whole number ratio is mentioned here. Then the empirical formula is written. So we'll do all together all the things in a tabular form. We'll see one numerical here. Suppose we'll have a numerical. An organic compound on an analysis it shows that carbon is of 57.82%. Okay, hydrogen that is 3.6%, and rest is ऑक्सीजन. एक ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में कार्बन इतना, हाइड्रोजन इतना, बचा कुचा जो है वो ऑक्सीजन है. Then you have to calculate in that condition the vapor density is also provided. Vapor density, it is provided 83. You have to calculate empirical formula as well as molecular formula. Let us see what we have to do. Easiest way, first you write the name of element, then the percentage of that element, after that its atomic mass. ये तो आपको करना ही है. 2 एलिमेंट आपको ऑलरेडी दिए, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, तीसरा कहा ऑक्सीजन. इट्स परसेंटेज इज 57.82. its percentage is 3.6. The rest is oxygen. We don't know what is oxygen. In that case, you do addition of 57.82 plus 3.6. and overall whatever the sum used to come, you have to subtract that from this one. So ultimately you will get here 38.58. Now we know the mass, atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, and it is 16. Next step is you have to calculate relative number of moles. For this, the number of moles for this calculation, we need the percentage divided by the masses. Mass percentage divided by atomic mass. What we can see here, 57.82 upon 12, 3.6 upon 1, 38.58 upon 16. So I am writing here already calculated values. You have to solve this, otherwise 4.818. Here it will be as it is 3.60, and this will be your 2.46. ये जो वैल्यूज आई हैं आपकी रिलेटिव नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हैं, इनमें से सबसे छोटा जो वैल्यू होता है, दिस इज यूज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू कैलकुलेट सिंपलेस्ट रेशियो. Simple ratio. Relative number of moles, the least value is used for dividing other values. So it will be 4.818 upon 3.6. It is the least value. 3.60 upon 3.60. Wait, sorry. It is here 2.46. So 2.46. 2.46. 2.46 upon 2.46. What will you get here? It is round of 2. It is 1.5, and there it is only 1. When the simple ratio it is in points or decimals, then you have to use one digit in such a way that by multiplication of that digit, the others all will become exact whole numbers. So we know that if it is your 1.5, if you multiply this by 2, it will become 3. Then 2, that same 2 must be multiplied to this also, become 4, and to this also. So becomes 2. So this is your simplest whole number ratio. So in that case, the empirical formula, when you write empirical formula, now we see that carbon 4 atoms are there, hydrogen 3 atoms, and oxygen 2 atoms. So the formula will be your C4H3 and O2. When you got empirical formula, you have to calculate empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass. How it is calculated? 4 into 12 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 16. So it will come overall 83. Now, in the molecular mass, when you have to calculate, that is equal to 2 into vapor density. In the question itself, you have vapor density provided, that is your 83 given here. 83. So when you multiply this with 83, it will become 166. Now when you have to calculate N, N is what? Number of moles. For this here it is molecular mass upon empirical formula mass. Molecular mass provided, it was your 166. This you have calculated 166. And empirical formula mass was this one, that is 83. So it comes 2 only. So when you have to calculate molecular mass, let me write here. Molecular formula mass. For that it is your empirical formula into N. N क्या निकाला 2. Empirical formula was C4H3O2 and this must be multiplied by 2. So ultimately we'll get here C4. So that becomes 2 for the 8. C8 H6 and O4. So that is your answer. That way we can calculate molecular formula.